वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का लेसन 6 सोशल साइंस गुजरात बोर्ड, इसमें फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर है इफेक्ट ऑफ द ब्रिटिश रूल्स इन इंडिया। तो इस वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शन है। इसमें फर्स्ट है अंटिल विच सेंचुरी वॉज इंडिया इकोनॉमिकली प्रॉस्परस। तो इसका सही आंसर है सी 18th। Did in which year did a devastating famine attack Bengal? तो इसका डी आंसर है 1770 CE. Which Indian state did the devastating famine attack in the year 1770 CE? तो इसका आंसर है बंगाल। Which governor enforced the Permanent Settlement Act? तो इसका सही आंसर है लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस बी। During whose tenure was the right of revenue collection given a collector? तो इसका सही आंसर है लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस। Which governor general became popular by introducing some beneficial reformation? तो इसका सही आंसर है विलियम बेंटिंग। तो 7th है who enforced the law banning the evil practice of sati? तो इसका सही आंसर है विलियम बेंटिंग। When was the law banning the evil practice of sati enforced? तो इसका सही आंसर है 1829 CE. Who started English education in India? Macaulay. 10th, when did the thought of starting English education in India come to Macaulay? तो इसका सही आंसर ए है 1834 CE. When were the first universities established in India? तो इसका सही आंसर है 1857 CE. Question 2, filling the blanks with proper word in the following statement. First है economic property of India was sustained until the 18th century. Next, the British increased their income due to the Diwani rule, which gave them right to collect revenue from Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Third, at the time of the British rule, many peasants became economically poor due to the interest rate of landlords, which was very high. Fourth, Governor Cornwallis enforced the Permanent Settlement Act for revenue collection. During Lord Cornwallis' tenure, collectors had to collect the revenue and perform the function of judge. The British system destroyed our ancient system of village self-rule, which was handled by the Gram Panchayats. In ancient time, every village was like a small republic. An order was passed in Agra that every Indian had to salute the British. 9. William Bentinck enforced the law to stop the practice of sati. 10th, in 1834, Macaulay introduced English education in India. 11th, the reform made by the British ruler were for their benefit only. The reforms made by the British came as a blessing for Indians. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पुट अ टिक मार्क यानी ट्रू फॉल्स है। तो इसमें फर्स्ट है द डिवास्टेटिंग फैमिन अटैक बिहार इन द ईयर 1770 CE, फॉल्स आंसर है। गवर्नर विलियम बेंटिंक एनफोर्स द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट एक्ट फॉर रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन, फॉल्स आंसर है। टर हु कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू ऑल्सो परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ जज, ट्रू आंसर है। द फाइन एंड सॉफ्ट धागा मसलिन वॉज much in demand all over the world during ancient time, true answer है। The British policy of social reform made the people feel insecure, true answer है। महात्मा गांधी जी called English education as the Swarajya education, false answer है। The people of India came closer to one another due to newspaper, post and telegraph, रेलवेज, इसका सही आंसर ट्रू है। नेक्स्ट पेज क्वेश्चन 4, मैच द पेयर करेक्टली। तो ये आपको मैच करना है। फर्स्ट है कार्नवालिस, तो इसका 3 आंसर है, एनफोर्स द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट एक्ट। मैकॉले, तो इसका 1 आंसर है, स्टार्टेड इंग्लिश एजुकेशन इन इंडिया। विलियम बेंटिंग, तो इसका 4th आंसर है, बैंड द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ सती। गांधी जी, तो इस गांधी जी इसका 2 आंसर है, इंग्लिश एजुकेशन इज द एजुकेशन ऑफ स्लेवरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 sentences each. First, what has been said by the historian of the world about the economic progress of India? The historian of the world have said that till the 18th century India was economically prosperous. What type of country did India become during the 100 years of British rule from 1757 to 1856? During the 100 year of British rule from 1757 to 1856, India became a source of raw material for British industries and a big market for commodities which were manufactured in those industries. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड द प्रेजेंट ऑफ इंडिया become economically poor? After acquiring right to extract revenue from state like Bengal, Bihar and Orissa, the British started extracting maximum revenue from peasant, thus making them poorer and poorer. These rights were known as the Diwani right. Peasants had to borrow money to meet their expenses and so fell into the debt trap of loan. They eventually lost their land too. Next 4 question, how did lakh of people die in Bengal in 1770? The devastating brought was attack Bengal in the year 1770. Second, the Britishers did not take any step to save the people. Third, lakh of people died to hunger. Question 5, which revenue system was enforced by Cornwallis? तो इसका आंसर है, गवर्नर जनरल लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस एनफोर्स परमानेंट सेटलमेंट एक्ट टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू. Who gave right to collector to collect revenue and give judgment? तो इसका आंसर है, लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस अपॉइंटेड द फर्स्ट कलेक्टर टू कलेक्ट द रेवेन्यू. नेक्स्ट, which feelings were aroused in people's mind regarding the British social reform policies? इसका आंसर है, the British policies for social reforms made the people feel insure. They feared that the government was trying to convert them to Christianity in order to destroy Indian religious and culture. Next question, which order was passed in Agra by the British government? The order passed in Agra by the British government was that every Indian had to salute the British. If this was not done, it was considered a crime liable for punishment. Question 9, which commodities were exported from India? Commodities like jute, wood, silk, cotton, clothes, muslin of dhaga, saltpeter, salt, lump, sugar, etc. was exported from India. Question 10, why did the material produced in India become costlier in India itself? तो इसका आंसर है, क्लोथ्स मैन्युफैक्चर इन इंग्लैंड was imported to India without levying and duty, while cloth manufacture in India was levied 80% tax. 80% tax. These unjust rules made Indian clothes costly in Indian market. Next question 11. Who banned the cruel practice of sati? William Bentinck banned the evil practice of sati. Who started English education in India? British citizen Lord Macaulay started English education in India. What did Gandhiji say about English education? Mahatma Gandhiji's opinion about English education was to give millions knowledge of English is to enslave them. Next question है 14. Why did the British government start the facility of railway, post and telegraph? The British government started the facility of railway to take their goods from one place to another, and for fast transportation of army they started the facility of post and telegraph to keep their eye on every part of the huge country like India and to exchange message with England. Next question, why did Macaulay start English education in India? Answer, in Indian Britishers converted administration in English, so the people knowing English language were needed for the administration of the country. To fulfill this requirement, Macaulay start English education in India. Question 6. Answer the following question. First, how were the peasants of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa ruined? In Bengal, Bihar and Orissa, after getting the rule to collect the revenue, they got resources to increase. Incoming Britishers started to extract maximum revenue from the peasantry at the cost of peasant and land. British officers started to plunder the peasant by conducting wrong way in collective revenue. Many a time they could not pay the revenue even after sell their land. The most of land of the peasant was gone due to lack of people died due to hunger. Government General Lord Cornwallis enforced permanent settlement in order to collect revenue. Next question 2. What was the result of the Permanent Settlement Act? तो इसका आंसर है Governor General Lord Cornwallis enforced Permanent Settlement Act to collect revenue. According to this act, the company fees the revenue on an annual basis and landlord were given right to collect this revenue. Thus, landlord become faithful to British. In contrast to this, the poor farmer who worked in the hot sun well exploited and become poorer. Next question है what reform were done by William Bentinck in India? When William Bentinck come to India, British started taking interest in the lives of Indian citizens. He became popular by introducing beneficial reform like first banned the evil custom of sati in 1829 on the request of social reform like Rajaram Mohan Rai. Second point, in 1834 English education system was started with the help of Lord Macaulay. Third, the allotted posts to Indians who knew English in British administration. Fourth, railway, post and telegraph system and painting was started during his tenure in 1853 to 1854. Fifth point, he established universities in Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Fourth, how did the people of India benefit due to the reform made by the British? तो इसका आंसर है to meet the demands of transportation of goods through mode of transport and communication, it was thought that this will help trade in our country. Also it will be used, and military control will also accept. Keeping this aim in mind, railway was started in India. Modern method of post and telegraph were implemented in the year 1854. The class of people having acquired English education become familiar with the new benefit of the world. It played an important role in national awareness and beginning about social reform in the country. The people of India come closer to post, telegraph and railway. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.